The primary flight display, or PFD, shows the necessary control and airplane performance indications for manual flight, automatic flight with the flight director and autopilot, and flight management, which includes navigation and instrument approaches. Auto flight and flight management indications are talked about in different lessons. In this lesson, we will look at the basic or raw data indications that are necessary to fly the airplane. The airplane control indications include attitude, airspeed, altitude and vertical speed, and heading. Current airplane performance is shown with white numbers and pointers. These are the current airspeed, heading, altitude, and vertical speed. The PFD also shows selected performance values that are set as necessary for ATC clearances and other operations. Selected performance values are shown with magenta numbers and bugs. You use the Mode Control Panel, or MCP, to set the performance values. These selectors set the values in MCP windows. There are indications for selected airspeed, selected heading, and selected altitude. The PFD shows the values from the MCP windows at all times. The bugs are set at the MCP values when the values are in view on the indications. When you have followed the clearance, the current airspeed, heading, and altitude are the same as the selected values. Now you receive this new clearance. Use the indicated airspeed Mach selector to set the new assigned airspeed. Use the heading track selector to set the new heading. Use the altitude selector to set the new altitude. The selected airspeed, heading, and altitude are set to follow the clearance. We'll let the autopilot fly the airplane to follow the clearance. Current airspeed, heading, and altitude are the same as the selected values again.